In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the API-MS-WIN-CORE-LIBRARYLOADER-L1-2-0.DLL missing error when trying to launch Adobe Photoshop. This is a common frustration that prevents your software from starting, but don't worry, we are going to walk through every single solution to get you back to your creative work as quickly as possible. This error usually triggers when Photoshop is run on an unsupported or incomplete Windows system, particularly with newer versions of the software. If this video helps you get back up and running, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more technical guides. Let's dive straight into the first and most important step, which is checking your Windows version. Photoshop versions from 2021 onwards officially require Windows 10 or newer to function correctly. If you are on an older operating system, this DLL file will almost always show as missing because it doesn't exist in that environment. To check your version, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type WinVer and press Enter. A window will pop up showing your OS version. If it says Windows 7 or Windows 8, you have found the root cause of your problem. The only permanent fix for those on older versions is to upgrade your operating system to Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you are already on Windows 10 but still seeing the error, we need to look at missing system updates. Sometimes a specific update containing these core libraries hasn't been installed. To fix this, click on your Start menu, open Settings, and go to Update and Security. From here, click on the Check for Updates button. Make sure you install every single pending update, even the optional ones, as they often contain critical system components. Once the updates are finished, you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect. If the error persists after updating, we need to focus on the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Photoshop relies heavily on these runtime libraries to communicate with your hardware. You will need to download and install the Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable for x64 systems directly from the official Microsoft website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to repair or install these libraries. After the installation is complete, perform another restart of your PC. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and the problem still appears, it is likely that the Photoshop installation itself has become corrupted due to the missing libraries during the initial setup. In this case, you should uninstall Photoshop entirely from your system, restart your computer one more time to clear out any temporary files, and then perform a fresh installation using the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. This ensures that all components are correctly mapped to your updated system files. One very important warning before we wrap up: please do not download random DLL files from the internet and paste them into your System32 folder. This is a massive security risk that can lead to malware infections or even more severe system crashes. Always use official updates and If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.